So do you have a big family and you are looking for a house that can fit everybody? I mean, I say 7-bedroom, 7,000 square foot home. If that's what you're looking for, today's video is for you. But before I go ahead and show you this home, okay, because we're doing an open house here, let me drive around the community just to show you this community real quick. It's located in North Charlotte, what we call the Prosperity area. The neighborhood is called Amber Leigh community. Very, very nice brick homes built by Ryan Home. They have all kind of home here. So this home we're about to tour is a very large home. It's a 7,000 square foot home, 7-bedroom, 7 full bath. So if you're looking for size, this home is for you. But before we go tour this house, let me flip this camera around and let's drive through the community real quick. Quick minute drive through the community, then we'll go tour this house. Come on. We're here, so let me get myself together and get ready to tour this beautiful property. I hope you guys are ready, and if you are looking for the size, this is a home. Okay, stay tuned. So let's take a look at the community real quick. Very private. Yeah, check out, we're here for the open house. 3-car garage. So now let's go to bedroom number 1. So as I mentioned to you guys, this is a 7 bedroom, 7 full bath. Has 2 bedroom on the main level. Bedroom number 1, let's go check it out. You have your closet here. Double door closet. Got a full bath. So you got this staircase that will take you upstairs. There's one of them. Second staircase that will take you upstairs. And then let's go to the second bedroom on the main level. So on the back end here, you have another bedroom. With a full bath. So this one has a door here that you can still go into the bathroom. And now let's go check out the upstairs. So let's take the stairs. First bedroom, upstairs. That'll make it bedroom number 3. The full bath. Got the hallway. Bedroom number 4. Another bathroom. Take you to bedroom number 5 or bonus room. You come out, you have your laundry area here. Take 2 steps up. Another bedroom. How big and spacious this is. And there you go, you have another full bath. With a walk-in closet. Now we get down. You got the hallway. You got your linen closet. Yeah. And voila, your primary suite. Look at that. Double entrance door. And you got your primary suite bath. Here's the hair closet. So I can turn on the light so if you guys want to see the inside. So closet number 1. And another closet. Got your tour there. And we are back to the main level. Now, at the beginning of this video, I mentioned to you that there is a surprise to this home. So far, let me just recap. We have 2 bedrooms on the main level with a 2 full bath. Then we go upstairs, we have 1 bedroom here, 2 bedroom, which is a bonus. You have a 3rd bedroom, which is on the far right corner, the primary bedroom. So that is a total of 6 bedrooms, and you have each bedroom has their own full bath, except for the 2 bonus and the 1 in the hallway. So far that is 6 bedrooms we have gone through. Now let me show you the surprise about this home. This home has a basement. Let's walk into the basement. First thing, movie theater room. FYI, all the military branch are presented here. You have the United States Navy here, the SEALs, the Army, the Marines, the Coast Guard, the Air Force. Look at this. Parking awning, US Army. You gotta love this basement. Look at this. Great place for entertainment. Pool area. You have your exercise room. Yeah, check this out. Another full bathroom. And another room. I mean, there's so many things, so many potential in this house that you have a storage area, another storage area here. I mean, look at this. Kitchen area, a mini kitchen area. Now let's check out another plus about this home, the backyard. Let me walk you guys to the backyard and let's check out the backyard real quick. Come on, let's turn it. Flip camera around. It's your deck from outside. Look at this. Look how big this backyard is. Come on, I'll show you guys. I'm still walking. And look how private it is. Hey, I'm still walking. I mean, come on. Now look. Privacy, all private. Okay, now that you have seen this 7 bedroom, 7 full bath, 7,000 square foot home, let me know what are your thoughts. Okay, hope you enjoyed the open house with me, and we'll see you guys next week with another beautiful home. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question about this home, give me a call. My contact information is at the bottom, and I'll see you guys on the next video. 704-904-5152. That's how to reach me. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.